I need to make sure my shit can start.
Bruh,
You know my battery been fucked up.
What you mean?
Like, shit might not cut off.
Hey man, say it man. My boy D Crazy pinned me up in the cat, man. You know what we finna do, man. We finna go live, man. You see he got the GoPro in his hand, man. You know what time that is, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. You know what time it is, nigga. Say something, bro. You gotta hype my video up. God damn, man.
You know, man.
God damn, man.
Go live, son. Go live.
Hype me up.
I don't even think I can go live.
You lame as fuck, bro. I got a camera. You there?
Oh, shit, I didn't know. Fuck
damn.
going on there with Z3 in the motherfucking cut me in the motherfucking cat with it. What it be there? 1 out of 500, son? Or some shit like that?
136.
Man, you finna get in the back seat, bro. You just pissed me off.
This shit not even recording.
It is recording.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Gotcha, bitch.
Now, you didn't get shit, nigga. I just wanted to flip it back. I just wanted to flip it back on you to make you feel dumb, nigga. Dumb man,
Gotcha.
nigga.
Chat. Can I get 100K in
Dumb man, nigga, man. I'm finna green. I'm finna Joni's head on good. Oh, shit.
Yeah, sit your ass.
Wait, why your seatbelt ain't on, boy?
And damn, this shit is 345. That shit is crazy.
I told you it was 3 something. I know my gas prices, nigga. Hey, tell
That's
me.
his gas station. Sassy,
You gotta know that.
What? What you just call me? I'm a grown ass man. Don't ever disrespect me like that again, boy. I slapped nigga on the head.
That boy Jay said, what up?
I slapped nigga on the head for shit like that, too.
What you touching me for?
Nah, bro, cause you tried me, bro. Oh, God. Fuck. Come get the blood, twin. They finna hear us coming up through there. Oh, it's right here. You got it on charger, twin. You tripping. See? I be on point.
Tell him.
Put that lighter in.
You got it.
Oh, yeah. Alright, damn, y'all. They gonna hear us come up.
Pull up for me. Pull it up to the first spot.
You got the Infinities behind it. Nigga, slow down. Slow down.
You got geek shit pulled up. But it's gonna get heavy. Pause.
Know what's going on with man? Not one of them. Geek shit on. See a movie. She's gonna be like Fast and Furious when you pull up. I swear to God, it's gonna be like Fast and Furious. I'm like, what the fuck? You gotta be plugged in if you're not plugged in. I think this last level is gonna go up one more. Then you're gonna be up there. Yeah, this shit go up high. Yeah, this last level is one. This shit get up high though. Yeah. They all the way over there though. Here go the geek shit, nigga. God damn, nigga. Geek shit. Whole lot of geek shit. Whole lot of geek shit, man. Stop playing. God damn. Whole lot of geek shit, y'all. Woo wee.
Yo, 5.
Woo wee. What's going on? Woo wee. Oh yeah, let me hit that bitch to my mama.
My twin.
Look, that nigga find his way in the back, though.
Look,
the hell,
my boy Jay came with the bottle. Hey, Jay came with the bottle, man. Shout out to my boy Jay. He know I like to drink. He know I love the liquor, man. So I gotta take a shot real quick.
What's the word?
You know what?
Damn, no spot for me. I gotta go park now.
What time is it? It's another one in the car. You going to the pool park?
Shit.
Hey, let me tell you.
That nigga vlogging? What up, vlog?
Hey, man, look. SRT Cup. Hey, look, my nigga D ain't posted nothing in a minute, though. Look. Drop some, with my boy.
I'm gonna go
My boy Fresh got it lit out here, bro.
Drop
Good.
some, gang.
Yeah.
We coming down there 2 hours. Your turn.
This
That
shit
nigga in the
geek
back
shit,
with the
nigga.
camera. Where you get a camera, nigga?
This ain't mine. Ugly
Geek
ass
shit.
nigga.
Whole lot of geek shit. They showing the music video out here, bitch. God damn, I didn't even see all this shit. Y'all, this some geek shit. They shooting big video, all type of shit. This shit geeked out here, y'all. My boy Fresh got motions, girl. Are you good on this side, too? This shit crazy, boy.
Shop right there.
We need business, nigga.
That's like, what's his name? Shit.
What that AMG right there? Smooth shit. Smooth shit, man. You see the back of the camera shop, man.
The laptop in there, bit? Yeah.
That nigga had the GoPro the whole time. That shit gonna be hard, nigga. Dapping them folks up. I didn't even think about that shit. That should be hard. I'm about to steal some of your footage, twin. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Also a whole lot of dog shit out there, bitch. Whole lot of dog shit. Whole lot of dog shit, man. Whole lot of dog shit. You got the BMW right there. Whole lot of dog shit, man. They shooting the whole music video out of here. Shit crazy. Look, this shit dirty, man. Shit litty. Send a picture of the video. They shooting the whole music video. When did they start doing that?
And not doing it. You can change it in the car. Challenger, you can change it.
You don't got nothing to say?
What, just some aftermarket shit or shit? Just come on.
Shit crazy. Hey, Fresh crazy as hell, yeah. We got a whole music video.
Y'all need to subscribe. Y'all subscribe. Y'all some hoes. I'm God.
I'm good. Nigga, you watching with your socks on right now, subscribe.
Okay.
Subscribe. And like up. This is my problem, y'all. I'm supposed to be editing. This is why y'all be getting y'all videos so late. I don't want to edit. I'm lazy, bro. Alright, damn, my boy working, bro. He got shit on the way for y'all boys. God, subscribe to my boy SRT Zone, bro. You said what? What you doing, Swin?
I need to make sure my shit can start.
Bruh,
You know, my battery been fucked up.
What you mean?
Like, this shit might not cut off.
No. You lying. You jinxed it.
Wait. Who did I say that to? Who did I say that to? I called that shit.
I knew it was gonna do it.
Damn it, boy, you ain't one line.
He just said it. He jinxed that shit on camera, nigga. I
He
swear to
got you on
God.
YouTube.
He
God
said that
damn.
shit.
Got your ass on YouTube too.
Pop the hood, Twin.
Drop your trunk, man.
Oh yeah, drunk. My bad jumper cables. Oh God. And we brought that bitch back to life, man. You see what's going on? He brought that bitch back to life, man. Stop playing.
SRTS, the real deal, 200 on the dash. You know what I'm saying?
Chilling. Look, y'all. SRT Jaws came back to life. We just had to give him some food real quick. He ate that food up. And crunk that thing right back up. And we back. We back on the road. We back on the road. You know what I'm saying? Oh, shit. I see it. Got this thing fresh.
Over there, look right there.
What group? This right here? Alright, bet. Come on. Hey, man.
Fuck going, Twin.
Hold on. We finna do this video. Come away, Twin.
Huh? For me?
No, not you.
I hear it started.
Get the hell with snake. Come on.
Damn, my boy. Oh, what the?
That nigga, hey,
ain't gonna lie.
That nigga drunk. Hold on.
Off the goddamn what's my name?
Oh shit. That nigga drunk. Hold on, wait, get fresh. Hold on. Go ahead.
Y'all play too much. Oh, it's real.
Hell no. What up, nigga?
I don't know how I just played it off for you, twins. He played too. Oh shit! He played too fucking
fucking much for me. Okay, that's all.
It be getting a little loose sometimes. You ain't wanna hold it. This shit up.
Twin, come on.
It's not real.
That ain't so. Hold on.
Like you fucking.
They did it on me. Man, I grew up doing that shit, so it's
That setup crazy.
Oh yeah, that is smooth.
This is Exotic Smoke. If you ain't got nobody, bitch, then you gotta go. See you later, adios. I be with the hoes, and you know I'm with the bros. Yeah, I'm sticking to the code. If you need that gas, I got it for the low. If I need that drop, I'll get that low. If I need some gas, get another low. Look,
Where's it?
and that fast shit, yeah, I do the dash, bitch. Show me titties and shake that ass, bitch. Yeah, I'm about that cash shit. I don't like these niggas.
Where's he going? Z slide.
In the trap, yeah, I'm doing flips. Yeah, you know I'm doing tricks. Bad bitches on the floor. Yeah, you know they sucking dick. Freaky little hoe, that's my type. Yeah, I like that shit. And you know I'm having a lot of money. Yeah, I like that shit. And I'm having lows, having bricks, stack it up. Yeah, just like these buildings. Yeah, I'm finna blow them up. No, not a hold on.
yeah, take a break. Yeah, take a break.
That shit hard. Oh boy, slap.
Hold on. Having Glocks, ARPs, nigga, what you trying to do? Me riding in the Hellcat, yeah, it's blue. Yeah, you know I'm leaving niggas in the dirt, sick like flu. And you know I'm about this cash. Yeah, I need them fucking blues, Yeah, I'm with the guys, I stay up with my goons, Yeah, I'm getting high, just like some blooms, Yeah, I'm eating up this beat just like it's food, Yeah, you know I'm blessing shit, know how to chew,
Yeah! Snatch on that bitch on my mama.
Go ahead, that's a track, This a cat, BMW, yeah, you know we have exotic shit, put them on the map, I don't want no that, I don't want no friends, only thing I wake up just to get these motherfucking bands, this the gang, this the clan, play with me then that's your ass, yeah, fly like Peter Pan, this beat put me in my fucking jam, yeah, you know I'm on this beat, walking hands, kicking back, feet up in it, bro, is that Demi?
Alright, y'all boys, finna fucking dip. Everybody sliding out. Buddy Pop hit a big one. Yeah! Yeah! Face it! You popping out these big, man. Stop playing, man. Y'all know I'm on. You popping out big one every time. Niggas revving out. Man, that nigga popping shit, ain't it? God damn, Twin popping shit, ain't it? Damn. I don't know what the fuck that long twin. Huh? Oh. bit Trump. You hear it? Stop playing. This shit deep out here, boy. To the city. It's real, man.
Nigga, we done shut down the street.
We done blocked with it. Yeah, Grady with it. Good God Almighty. Black. Man, God damn. But this shit crazy, bro. This shit crazy. Take on the city. Why they out here like this? In front of Grady, folks trying to sleep, man. God damn. We outside right though. This shit true. This shit tripping, y'all. We outside in front of Grady with these folks trying to go to bed. We tripping. Alright, y'all. I don't think none of this. We just chilling. It's 10:51. It's not that late. It's not that late, y'all. So we good. We just chilling, parlaying, kicking shit, you know. Chicken foot. Oh shit, my camera almost failed. God damn. I would have been blown, y'all. What?
This shit right here.
Yeah, see, we just be kicking flag, y'all. We chilling, we parked up right now, just kicking flag, man. We just, folks, man, just living their life, living their best life, you know what I'm saying? You gotta live like every day is like your last, twin. That's what we do. You know what I'm saying? Some random pedestrian talking shit.